Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's mod on the Steam Deck. First, ensure your device is running the latest stable software update for optimal performance. Next, connect your Steam Deck to a strong, reliable internet connection. This is crucial for downloading the game and any necessary updates. Finally, open the Steam Store, search for Garry's mod, and proceed with purchasing or installing the game onto your device. These initial steps are vital for a smooth start. To get Garry's mod running smoothly, we need to configure Proton. Head to Garry's mod in your Steam library and click the gear icon. From there, select Properties, then navigate to Compatibility. You'll want to enable Force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Choose a recent, stable Proton version, like Proton Experimental or Proton 8.0, to ensure the best possible game performance and stability on your Steam Deck. Once the game is installed, let's set up your controls for the best experience. Launch Garry's mod, then open the Steam overlay to access the controller layout settings. You can explore various community-created layouts, which often provide excellent starting points. Alternatively, feel free to create a custom configuration, mapping essential actions such as movement, weapon switching, and interaction to buttons that feel most comfortable and intuitive for your play style. For an even better experience, consider these performance tips. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a good balance between visual quality and a smooth frame rate. Sometimes lowering a few settings makes a big difference. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your Steam Deck to free up valuable system resources. If you encounter any persistent issues, a simple restart of both the game and your Steam Deck can often resolve many common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.